Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In the following video, I will show you how to clean the heads of an Epson printer. But before starting this video, I invite you to activate the bell and subscribe to our channel. The first step we will take is to find an image to print. On the image, we click the second button and select Print. Then we press Options at the bottom. Now we press Printer Properties. Then we press Maintenance. Now we have to press the head cleaning button, and now we press Start. Now we must wait about 5 minutes, which is the time it takes for the printer to perform the cleaning. At the end of the process, this window will appear, where we will have to press the Injector Test option to verify the colors. Now you need to check if the colors are coming out correctly. If not, you will have to do the whole process again. If everything went well, we press Finish. If you like the video, I invite you to subscribe. See you in a next video. Bye.